Shemai, this is a chord drill for the key of C major. Now chord drills are a great way of practicing your chords, and because they're in a key signature, they often match the chords from a particular song, because all songs are in a key as well. Alright, now you'll hear the play along of it 3 times. It starts slowly and gets faster each time. I'll run through the chords with you in a moment, and I'm only suggesting a strum pattern of down, down, up, up, down, up. It's entirely up to you what strum you want to do. Okay, so we're in the key of C, which means the 4 chords are C, A minor, F and G. If you're not sure how to play those, I'll run through them now, but I've also done some beginner lessons on these particular chords as well. So the first chord, nice and easy, C. You put your ring finger or your 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A string, A minor, okay, your middle finger or your 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the G string, the chord of F, 1st finger, 1st fret on the E string, and 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the G string, and then the G chord. Okay, so you're going to put your 1st finger, 2nd fret on the C string, your 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the A string, and then your ring finger, 3rd fret on the E string. Okay, so C, A minor, F and G. Okay, I'll let the play along take over. I do hope this chord drill has helped. We often use these at the beginning of a session in ukulele club in school. They're a great way of warming up your fingers before you start playing. Go back over, practice and practice, okay? That's the way to make your chord changes really smooth. Also, don't forget, you can slow these videos down. Click on the settings, that little cog below, and then you can slow the video right down if you're finding the chord changes too fast for now. If you've enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give us a like. Feel free to leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.